In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize meal and entertainment expenses in QuickBooks Online. Properly categorizing these expenses is really important for keeping your books clean and making tax time easier. It helps you see exactly how much you're spending on things like client meetings, team lunches, or staff events, and it can also make it simpler to work with your accountant later on. So let's walk through the process step by step in a simple and practical way. First, we're going to create a dedicated account for these expenses in your chart of accounts. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings menu, which is the little gear icon in the top right corner. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of all the categories your transactions can be assigned to. Once you're on that screen, click the New button to add a new account. For the account type, select Expense. This tells QuickBooks that anything going into this account is money your business is spending. Next, you'll choose an appropriate account name and detail type. You might call it Meals and Entertainment, or Business Meals, depending on how you and your accountant like to see things labeled. If you want to get even more organized, you can create separate expense accounts, such as Client Meals and Employee Meals, so you can easily track how much you spend in each area and understand which expenses may be more deductible than others. Once you've set those details, click Save and Close. Your account is now ready to use. Now let's look at how to categorize an actual expense to this new account. From the main dashboard, click the plus sign labeled New, and then select Expense. This opens a new expense form. Start by choosing the vendor or who you paid, such as the restaurant or catering company. Then select the payment account, like your business checking account or credit card, and enter the date of the transaction so it matches your receipt. In the category dropdown, look for the Meals and Entertainment account you just created and select it. This is what tells QuickBooks how to group this transaction in your reports. Add a brief but clear description, such as client lunch to discuss project, so anyone reviewing your books understands what it was for. If this expense is billable to a customer, check the billable box and select the correct customer so you can pass that cost along later. Before you save, attach your itemized receipt to the transaction. This is a great habit for documentation and audit support. When everything looks good, click Save and Close.